Hi, this is Nick from Taillight Plus. Today we have a 2016 Mazda 3, stock number 6141. This ran from 11th 2013 to the 2nd 2019. It has a PE 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 6-speed automatic transmission. This is a PE 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left front 16-inch factory alloy maggot tyre. Left front door mirror. Left front door no dents. Left rear door has a small scrape in the corner. Left rear 16-inch factory alloy maggot tyre. Left rear taillight. Rear tailgate no dents. Right rear taillight. Right rear 16-inch factory alloy maggot tyre. Right rear door no dents. Right front guard no dents. Right front headlight. Right front 16-inch factory alloy maggot tyre. Right front door mirror. Right front door no dents. Right front door card. Right front master switch. Center console lid. Automatic gear shifter. Heater AC controls. Factory touchscreen sat-nav stereo. Interior mirror. Front courtesy light. Left front sun visor. Right front sun visor. Factory 3-spoke leather steering wheel. Instrument cluster.